We are on day 7 of our 9 days of grade 9 questions. And this one here that I'm about to do now is a classic. It's the equation of a straight line. Okay, we can look at perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Today we're going to look at a perpendicular equation. Here we go. Okay, right, so here we go, a classic perpendicular question. You're given the equation of a line that is perpendicular to our line. Just remember what perpendicular means. So perpendicular are where two lines meet at right angles to each other. So those two lines are perpendicular. If we were asked for parallel lines, they are the ones where they never touch. So parallel and perpendicular. Now, what do you need to know about parallel and perpendicular lines? Parallel lines have the same gradient, the same steepness. So they have the same m value. Okay, m is your gradient in y equals mx plus c. M tells you the steepness of the line. So if they're parallel, they've got the same gradient, the same value for n, but a perpendicular is the negative reciprocal of the gradient, okay? So it's -1 over whatever the other gradient is. For example, if this line here had a gradient of 3, this one here would have a gradient of -1/3. Okay, right, so we have one that is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x plus 3. So that 2 is absolutely key there. We know that it's going to be a negative reciprocal gradient. So we know if we wrote out y equals mx plus c as our general formula, we can replace m with -1/2 straight away. Okay, so y equals -1/2 plus x, plus c. What we can't do, however, is figure out what the c value is yet. Although you will be given two coordinates, we are told that when x is 4, y is equal to a 7. That's a key point on that graph. Therefore, we can substitute in the values of x is 4, y is 7 to figure out what c is going to be. So when x is 4, y is 7, 7 is equal to -1/2 times by 4 plus c. Sorry, the mic's in the way there. So -1/2 times 4 is equal to -2. 7 is equal to -2 plus c. Add 2 to both sides. 9 is equal to c. So c is 9. M is -1/2. The final equation of our line, I'm going to write it up here a little bit so that I don't run out of room, is going to be y is equal to -1/2 x, and our c value is +9. So y equals -1/2 x plus 9. Classic grade 9 equation of a perpendicular line question. Follow along for more help on those grade 9 questions.